Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you that 5 best Android OS for laptop or desktop. So let's start the video. Number 5 is Phonixos. Phonixos is distribution of Android operating system which allow you to run mobile apps and games on your personal computer or laptop. Number 4 is Blissos. Blissos is Android-based operating system. The latest version of Blissos uses Android Pie and it is designed to work with both the mobile system as well as desktop or laptop computers. Basically, you can install Blissos on your Android device, Windows, MacBook and Chrome OS as well. Number 3 is FreeDOS. FreeDOS is based on the secondary development of open source project that drive Chrome OS, and FreeDOS has some awesome features like extremely fast response and never slow, and run web program and Android program and Windows program and Linux program better than one OS, and simple operation and safe and stable. And FreeDOS is made by Chinese student and it is really good Android OS right at the moment. Coming to number 2 is Android 86. Android 86 is free open source project that allow you to run Android on 86 operating system. And Android 86 is software that allowed the mobile Google Android operating system to function on the device that are powered by AMD 86 or Intel 86 processors, and it's run on low-end PC also. Primos is operating system that give a complete desktop experience similar to Windows or macOS. With access to the million of Android apps and games, it is designed to bring you the best of both worlds, a complete fusion of Android and PC. By the way, it is the only Android operating gaming system. And that's all our free operating system right at the moment. And if you want to download, check my description. Link will be given below. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.